guys, welcome back to another video, and today's
It's
video
my channel. Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and today we're gonna be having a tea and chai and omelet recipe. So yeah, let's start.
tea and chai is the one from the
Okay, wait. Did you even grab the eggs, the main part?
No, there's one at the end. So guys, first of all, you gotta grab your egg and just put it in
And
the bowl.
also 2 tomatoes
Oh yes, you gotta get 2 tomatoes
and capsicum.
We don't really have capsicum or anything else, so we're just gonna leave that part, and I'm gonna start cutting these awesome tomatoes. But make sure you wash yours. Oh wait, get away, brother. And I'll see you guys when we're done with that. So I was just cutting out my tomatoes, and you guys gotta make sure that you have not made it this much big chunks. You just gotta make like tiny bits up there. And yeah, that's it. See you when I'm done again. And alright guys, so now my brother's here, and yeah. So we're done with
yeah. Let me.
You don't need to show them me. You don't need to cut your whole apple, your whole tomato. I just got 2 tomatoes. I don't know for what reason, but you don't need to.
Maybe fun for you.
No, you gotta use only half of the tomato.
Okay, we'll see you. Okay, we'll have to wait for some ingredients.
No, we won't have to wait. I'm just gonna make it.
No, we won't have to, because then it won't be an omelet.
Okay, it is gonna. Alright guys, so now I have my egg.
Did you forget about milk?
No, that's at the end.
True.
You gotta crack your
Be
egg.
careful. Whoa. Ooh. Make sure it doesn't have any cracks like us.
No.
Wait, what's that?
That's not a crack, look.
But get it out. You don't like it.
No, it's not nothing.
And then also clean your hands after you see that.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now that we're done. No, what are you doing?
I'm hiding them in a red towel.
Okay, wait. Come on. It's not a red towel. So now you gotta get out your salt. Alright, show them the salt.
Literally showing them.
Okay, you got our salt. Wait, get a little back. Not
No.
that. Come out.
Come back. I'm not a good cameraman.
You just gotta get this much of the salt.
Are you gonna feed them? Oh, you also got to get that thing. That thing.
I know. Just wait.
That pink and yellow thing.
Let it go. Alright, you're not showing them anything. Okay, guys, so next you're gonna need these zira. I don't know what to call it in Urdu. Yeah, okay, and then you're gonna need some black pepper and some chili and some chili powder.
And you also need some pizza cutter.
No, you don't.
No?
No. Get that out. It's so sharp. Alright, so
You can cut yourself, Nabi. Stop it.
okay, so I got my omelet mix for now. Now we're gonna add our zira.
I know what it's called. It's like
I'm gonna take a few pinches and pour them in our.
I'm making a snack.
Okay, go. And now we're gonna get some black pepper. I'm gonna make omelet.
Okay, don't want to eat it.
Alright, sweet. We got some black peppers. Very less of that. And the least amount of the chili powder. Not so much at all. Just this much of it, okay? This much. Alright, you guys, now that I'm done,
Hey, let them show my recipe first, you know?
we got our omelet mix. And now, we need...
Stop stealing my channel.
No, we're not stealing your channel. We gotta make the video. We don't have no frying pans. Oh, we do have a frying pan. We're just gonna use a frying pan. So, my brother's gonna entertain you until then.
Hey, yeah, I'm making a cheese sandwich. You take this, put it there. Make sure your bread's like this in the top. And just spread. No. I know, but first we have to make one like that. I'm not using a butter knife, but you can if you want to.
Alright, I'm gonna be
I'm
back.
making it if you don't know. This is how it turned out. Toast sounds so bad, I guess. But you don't know. Ooh, this feels cheesy. Get out of my face, bread. Sure, it looks like this. Because thumbs up. Why not? I mean, baby shark, baby shark, me not doing anything, just entertaining. What are you doing?
I'm getting the pot for the tea.
For the heat?
Yeah, tea.
Key?
Tea. Tea.
Oh, tea. I was like, tea? It's tea.
Oh. Did you pause the video?
No, you didn't. Because pausing isn't really that useful.
Alright guys, now that I have my pan right here, it is a pan. And we're just gonna place it over here, and we got the back over here.
Make sure your cheeseburger is like this. No, cheeseburger.
Can I have
Cheeseburger. It's like that now.
Can I have
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now that we're done with that, we have our omelet mix. People are eating this omelet. I'm gonna add one more egg. Since we already have a lot of tomatoes, we don't need to add more tomatoes. We need more salt. A lot more salt. We need black pepper. We need some zira. I'm gonna go very crazy with zira because I think it is not so necessary. It just gives like a good look and it tastes really good. So yeah.
My snack is almost done. And my children are going to be done.
Wait, you are supposed to eat this omelet too, right?
I hope.
Alright guys, so we have our omelet mix right here now. It is in grease, not in grease. That is it, yep. We have our hand filled with chili powder. But we're gonna wash that. Don't worry, we're gonna wash that. And I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done with mixing all of this mixture. And yeah. Oh boy, that was chili powder. Alright guys, so now that we're done with our omelet mix, it is right there. And now we're gonna turn on the fire. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So the fire is on. low, but I want the pan to be hot when I turn.
I'll get some pickles. Some pickles.
We're just gonna pour in some oil like that. Poured some oil, and now it's time to set you guys somewhere because I gotta start working. Sweet, and now we're just gonna go ahead and pour our omelet. Wow. You were supposed to cameraman me. Sweet, you guys, now it looks like that. I'm just gonna try and make its shape. We're gonna pour some oil around it, wash our hands, and then make our tea. I'm just gonna figure it around. Sweet. So now we're just gonna turn on the flame. Sweet. This is gonna be awesome. Look. It looks pretty I don't know, weird. That's because the chili powder and all the other stuff. What the heck? Why is there an olive over here? My brother,
he's making salad.
oh,
You're not just making salad.
yes.
There's no way you end.
No. Not that bad, but the cheese sandwich bad. Alright guys, I was just drying my hands. Now we have our pan. Wait, where's the water? Oh yes, in the jug. Gonna get the water. Yeah, ketchup and action don't come. You'll need some tea, right? Oh boy, our omelet is starting to get
Dead.
No, it's getting together. We have our
Why are you saying oh no?
clippy thingy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Because I didn't know it was do so fast. We're just gonna let it do that thing first for a few minutes and seconds. Then we're gonna flip
What
it.
did you do with this? Oh, cut this.
Okay, good. I'm trying to fold it. I mean, yeah, we flip it, but we're not done yet. We're not done.
What a nice sandwich.
Alright, I'm just gonna put you. Bro, can you tell them what you're doing?
I'm just making a cheese sandwich. All that he was doing? Yeah. Okay, wait. I have to open the microwave so you, or maybe not. Not the microwave. I'll open. Can I put my whole cheese sandwich in this toaster?
No way. No way.
Do I have to eat it cold or put it in the microwave? Because my guys are standing.
Eat it cold. Eat it cold.
I don't want to eat it cold. I don't like uncold. I mean cold things.
Your guys are standing?
Yeah, my guys are standing. Okay, now that my guys are standing, I put my plate here and open this.
Alright, you guys, so I have flipped the omelet. It turned a little crumbly, but it's okay. Don't worry. Now we're going to get our tea. Right there. Yeah. And we have filled it with water. Remember that? Okay, wow. We got to turn this omelet thing again because, yeah. Oh boy, it's starting to burn. So we're just going to turn down the heat really low because this is just way too much heat. The omelet was starting to burn.
Remember when I made that my own self, what do you call it? Popcorn my own self, and remember what happened?
No, I don't.
Remember
So you guys, I'm going to. Oh yeah. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys afterwards. We're done with this whole omelet situation, and until then, goodbye.
Wasn't it?
Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna let that sit. Very well. Sit. Like, let it just do its thing. And until then, we're gonna turn the fire on for my tea. We're gonna let the water boil until the water is boiling. Sit. Until the water is boiling, Remember, if you're making this for a 2-person, then you'll need 2 eggs. If just for you, then only 1 egg. So, bro, I was making. Alright, you guys, now that we're done with that, we're gonna take our brown sugar from the very top that we used yesterday for our other recipe. It actually turned out really good. And leave a like on this video if you tried that recipe. Yeah, and subscribe if you haven't, because I know most of you haven't. Alright, so we're just gonna get our milk. Now that we're done with getting every single thing, we're just going to go over here. And our omelet is done, so we'll get out our plates. Bro, which plate would you like? Okay. Alrighty, now we're just gonna place our omelets onto that plate. Hot omelet! You gotta be really careful with this part, but I already know how to do it, so yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and do this part. Same thing to the next plate. Perfect. Now that that's done, our water is starting to boil. Wow, this is going pretty good. Our omelets are done, but until our tea will be ready, these omelets will obviously be cold. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put it on the pan again when our tea is ready. But for now, these are done. We're gonna take our supplies. We're gonna set stuff up here. I'm gonna close this stove. Okay, yeah, nice. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna finish stuff up here. Then I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, you guys, I am done, and this is our water starting to boil a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna do that part. We're gonna get our brown sugar first. Open it. And we're gonna go and put it 4 teaspoons. Alright, now that we're done with that part, we did 4 teaspoons and yeah. 1 more for extra luck. Alright, now that that part is done, we will take our tea, label tea, label tea. Since we're doing this for 2 people, we're obviously gonna need this for 2 spoons. And now it's time for the milk. Wait, I'm gonna show you how much of the milk. Look, this is my stuff and this is my milk carton. We're gonna add a lot of that milk. So like you see, when your tea is like that, I hope you guys could see that. And when your tea is like that, just let it sit until it starts boiling again. Until that time, we have our omelets right here. We're gonna get our forks. I got my forks right here. And now I'm gonna place them over on my omelet plate. Bro! Come! Good. Good boy! So these are our omelet plates. Wait, you can't even see. That's my brother's. And this is mine. Bro, I'm done with the omelets. This is so delicious. Really? Okay, come. Our omelets. I separated them because last time we didn't eat ours. Okay, come on. Let's start eating our omelets and rate them how they really taste like.
And you can also put some olives in these.
Yeah, olives. Oh wait, I forgot to top it off. Alright, y'all. We have our. You gotta put 3 olives in each. Oh wait, that's only water. That's 2 olives. There we go. Alright, so let's begin. Yeah, come. Please. It's okay, wash it and come. I wanna eat more. I wanna eat. Okay, good. You got it. In 3, 2, 1. With the olive. It's actually good.
Yeah, here.
Spicy. Oh boy.
It actually is spicy.
Yeah.
I think you added too much like that masala.
Yeah. The red chili. I'm gonna go bring us some water. Oh boy.
Not that spicy. In the starting, it's kind of sour. And yeah.
If yours is spicy too, just add some more. Oh boy, our tea.
Tea.
Okay, yeah. I just turned the tea to the lowest point. Where's the ketchup bottle? There it is. I found it. Sweet. So if yours is a little bad, I mean like yeah, it's a little spicy, just add a little bit of that ketchup on top.
Give me some too.
Oh, you really like that. It is actually really good. Iha's plate is almost finished. I just started because yeah, it is.
Ketchup is kind of sour.
Hmm?
Wait, somebody's there.
Oh yeah. What was it? All right, our tea.
Ah!
What? Spicy? I got some water.
That was so good after I was like, ah!
It is actually really, really good. You guys should. Oh wait, no, boy, no. I was trying to pour water on the pan. You should actually try this. What do you think? What is your rate?
Like, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? I give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a little too spicy. Yeah, it's actually.
But the dessert, it went up.
What?
The dessert had
Yeah, dessert
had 20. I mean 10, because I gave it a 0.
A few of you guys must be wondering what dessert. Well, that dessert that we made in our yesterday's video, it was absolutely delicious. Go check that video out. And as always, excellent. 1 minute.
Alright guys, so now that we're done with that, so like always, we're gonna try something like that to this.
Alright, this is the last thing. We're gonna make our tea. We're gonna try our tea. And yeah.
So make something else.
I'm sorry, I can't make it today. We can make French toast for tomorrow's video.
No, the cheeseburger I was trying to tell them. My cheeseburger recipe of mine.
Okay, yeah, we will do the cheeseburger building. Recipe with Ihab
And she will back be the cameraman of mine.
Yeah, obviously, because wait, why?
Because
Here you go.
I can't just cameraman my own self.
I will be your cameraman, right?
Yeah.
Good partner.
Yeah, we are partner if you didn't know.
Yeah, we probably have a partner. Partner.
Like,
So what are you doing?
I'm just scratching my screen.
Alright, you guys, now that we're done with
Look,
that
we have
part-
also like partners have same things.
Yeah.
And then carefully see if you good.
We will put our steak.
Oh God! I was so close to ending the video.
No.
Oh, and we'll have to add mom's number now.
It's okay.
Well, do we have to watch this video? Still, oh, Lamise did not even like it. A little bit.
gonna close the fire. Yeah, here you go. I get a little bit because I spilled a lot.
Because she doesn't like it.
No, I do love.
Wow. Smoke out of this. I think you burnt it or something. Ah, it's so hot. But you know, as always. Hey, hope you like this video.
No, wait, we gotta did you test the tea? No? Okay. Let's test the tea and our omelets together, partner. Partner, are you ready?
Me ready, partner.
Okay, good, partner. So we're just gonna put our phone over here.
It's only
This is tea. And this is our omelets. Ab has almost finished his. I didn't, unfortunately, because I had to look at the tea. But I still love our omelets.
yeah, almost are also good, you know. You can try this, but don't put that many masala like us.
Chili powder, don't put that. What are we waiting for? Let's test our tea, boys.
Why not?
Yeah.
Do that too if you're olives like you choked on olive. I'm gonna play Fortnite after this.
Oh yeah, we have Fortnite on our PS4.
Also Rocket League.
In Rocket League.
I already make the video about that.
Oh really? Okay, good.
Wait, let me tell you a
Wait,
secret.
we have our ketchup. I'm just gonna swirl some more because it's really, really spicy.
We have an imaginary gaming channel.
Oh yeah.
And also check out my new Urdu channel. Also only has one video. And also if you go to your public comments, you know what's written?
What?
I have a second account, so I write it, hey guys, Ihab has a second channel.
Oh my god.
Guess what's it called? Ihab Matsu Urdu Girl.
Okay, good. Let's just start.
She'll also be featured in there sometimes.
Tomorrow we're making French toast recipes.
Yes, my hamburger.
Yeah, we're not. Yeah. Right. No, wait. Tomorrow, didn't we have to do our French toast recipe?
No.
Okay, day after tomorrow is the
Wow.
French toast recipe. It's good. We're gonna test from.
Wow, look,
Yeah.
look. This is, you know, you make like great chai like mom, and here
It's so good.
Tastes like mom. Wait, I'll show this to mom.
Yeah, go tell us tomorrow. Yeah, please. I have ketchup all over my hands, and until my brother's gone, I'm gonna tell you a funny joke. Knock knock. I bet you said who's there. Okay. Oh, big bite. Yeah. Can you close our door? Oh. Water.
It was A+, but I got F- in my test.
Where?
Yeah, my exam.
Okay, last thing, and then you guys can leave. I just don't want the video to end. We have an orange, right? I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I have to do the outro. Hope you like this video. Smash that like button.
Don't smash the like button.
Why?
That's because we don't. Okay, you guys see this orange? I can peel it by hand. Hi.
Why do you have to show it to everybody? It's cool. It's cool. So now, as always, wait. Did we rate the chai?
Yeah, no.
So let's do it. I rated it 10 out of 10.
Okay then. Alright, so guys, as always,
No, it's my channel.